Hello guys, today I am discuss about Texas truck accident lights, car accident attorney, the car loans law firm 40 deduction accident attorney along with private investigator and registered nurses expense and successful office in clean Vico and Temple call today in live chat combination. Contact us testimonial legal accident attorney 2022 reviews find an accident attorney compare 2022 car accident attorney today review and choose the best attorney for you. What a truck accident lawyer can do for you. What can I sue someone personally after a truck accident? What is the average settlement for a 18 wheeler accident? What should you do after a truck accident? Houston truck accident lawyer, Texas 18 wheeler accident attorney, highest rate truck, Texas 18 wheeler truck accident lawyer. Put our undefined did hosted truck accident attorney in on your side. 281-893-0760. Best Texas truck accident lawyers. 18 wheeler accident lawyer. Best Houston 18 wheeler truck accident lawyer. Best 18 wheeler accident lawyer. Truck accident settlements and truck accident lawyers in Dallas. Tacte Law Office PC. Houston truck accident. Please contact Patron Daniel Law or at 713-999-6666 today for free consult our Hassan Truck accident. Text truck lawyer Bingham Law Group. The discuss Texas semi truck accident law and you are right after a crash contact the guide 866-523-4167 and through our online form. We offer free of cost lawyer for you. Texas Truck Accident Lawyer, the Carl Lawson Law Firm. For more than 14 years, we have represented victims of 18-wheeler and semi-truck collision across the state of Texas. The Carl Lawson Law Firm has 15 locations. Undefined housing truck accident lawyer, Bill Associate Bus.